ain't hit the canvas, but baby, who you need me?
Okay guys, so I'm just going to jump straight to the makeup collection because it's gonna take a while to do so. I'm just going to go over everything I have. So my vanity, like the vanity mirror, is from Impressions Vanity, and this little one is also from there as well. And the table and the drawers are from IKEA. I got the chair is from Ross. There's so many good things at Ross. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start on that side so we could go this way. So let's just go ahead and go over here. So right here, I just have this really nice green plant. It's fake. I got it at Ross as well. It's not real. I just have it there for decoration. And right here, I do have this bag that I got from Teddy Blake. I love this bag because it's not heavy and I just love the color, and it's so, like, I don't know, it's just so beautiful, and the material is amazing. I highly recommend it, and I do have a discount code with them, so you guys could go ahead and check it out in case you guys like my bag or something. I'll have it listed down below. I have everything listed down below about this bag because I don't know, I just love this bag so much, and I know I probably said that like 100 times, but it's just the truth. Next, I have this lash book that I got sent. I got it yesterday, and oh my god, look at this beauty. Like, it's full of just eyelashes, and I just don't even want to touch them. Okay, let's put this away. Oh, I also got my nails done. They're so pretty. They're like white, but she also put like some chrome in it. They're so pretty. So in this little box right here, I got some earrings and like bracelets and all that, and that's where I keep everything. Right here, I just have my perfume. This is my favorite one, and I also have like a lotion and some other perfumes. So here is where I keep all my sunglasses. I have different ones and they're all over the place. Look, I'm just gonna fix them a little bit because they're like everywhere. But I have some Key, and I also have some Benefit Sunnies that they sent, and I also have some Sunglass Spa. I have a bunch of them, some Violet Voss that they sent over. These are so cute. They're so cute. They're like reflective. I don't know, but yeah, I couldn't open them, but I did. So that is that. And here is where I keep all my lashes. You guys know I love Ace Beauty lashes. I have a bunch of them, look. I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of Lulu PMs because they're my favorites. I also have some Coco lashes and Icon. I have a bunch of lashes. I have Lily lashes. So on this one, I have a bunch of new makeup that I just buy and put there, or that companies send to me, and I just put them there as well. So I have some Frankie Rose Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. They sent me a package and I have a bunch of stuff from there, so I'm excited to try them out. And I also have some Lawless lipsticks, and oh, this Kylie limited edition lip kit that I bought. It's so beautiful. Look at the glitter. Ooh, okay. And I also have some JCat Beauty highlighters. I love JCat Beauty. And I also have some Benefit stuff here. You guys know I love Benefit and they're always sending me stuff, so I have that. And I also have Sleek makeup, some Sleek, and I have more JCat Beauty. I have Buxom as well. Have some CoverGirl palettes. So now let's move on to this one, and I pretty much have the same thing. See, like, I have just a bunch of like new stuff. I have some Benefit products again, brow pencils, Hoola Quickie contour stick. I actually have been wanting to use this, so I'm probably gonna use this on my next video. And I have some Professionals. I have a bunch of Professionals. So in the last one, I just have a bunch of new palettes. I have some BoxyCharm and some Gorgeous Cosmetics. I also have this KKW liquid lipsticks that I haven't even used, and I need to use them. Look how pretty they are. Ugh. The packaging is so beautiful. So right here is where I keep all my concealers, and right here is where I keep all my eyeliners and lip liners, mascara, and everything that you could think of. So in this organizer is where I keep like my highlighters, bronzers, blush, and like translucent powders. This is where like I keep everything. I have a bunch of like stuff right here. I have my favorite highlighter, which is this one, and I have some, you know, blushes, powders, and like bronzers. And right here I just keep my beauty blenders and my makeup brushes. These are all the brushes I always use. Look at these brushes, you guys. Look how beautiful they are. Oh no, one fell. And right here is where I keep all my lipsticks. I have Kat Von D, which I love, and I have a bunch of Kylie lipsticks. I have MAC as well. I have these lip glosses by MAC. I have what else? Milani, Frankie Rose. This is my favorite lipstick at the moment. It's not even focusing. Okay, hold on. So right here is where I keep all the makeup palettes and everything I pretty much always use. So on the first one, I just have a bunch of palettes. I have the Take Me to Brazil, Morphe. Oh my god, I have this palette. It's so old, and I used to like be obsessed with this palette. Still really good actually. And on the second one, I pretty much have the same thing. I have a bunch of palettes. I have the Flamingo palette, which I love. I need to do a tutorial with this. It's so pretty. So on this one, I just have my foundations and like primers. I got a new one because I finished the other one. I have primers, more primers, and I have a bunch of glitters right here. These are all the glitters I always use. I also have more right here. I have some Dose of Colors, Stila, Urban Decay. You guys know I love these glitter eyeliners. And I also have more eyelashes right here because, like I said, they don't fit over there. So I'm just gonna keep them right here for now. So right here is where I keep my skincare. I know you guys have been asking me to do a skincare for a while now, and I am going to do one very soon. But I do have some face mask, and I have this vitamin C peel off facial mask, and I also have this one that I got from BoxyCharm that I love. I love using this. And I also have my Believe moisturizing balm. I use this all the time. I also use this all the time. Pretty much all my skincare is by this brand called Believe. So on this last one, I just have all my hair stuff. I have my curlers, I have my strainers, my hairspray. I just have a bunch of hair stuff right here. So before I get into the giveaway, I'm going to apply a little bit of some lipstick, you know. You guys, I don't know why my neck is so red. Maybe because of this, the zipper, I'm not sure. Don't think it's hickeys because it's not. But that's pretty much it for this makeup collection. I hope you guys loved today's video. But before I end this video, I will be doing a giveaway. So let me show you guys what you guys will be winning. So this is what I will be giving away. I have a bunch of stuff. So make sure you enter. All the rules will be listed down below. So make sure you check that out. Have some Professional by Benefit, have more Benefit. So make sure you enter. All the rules will be listed down below like always. And yeah, you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.